Hi, hello, and thank you so much for joining me. This is Mrs. M, and if you haven't, make sure you click below to subscribe to my channel. That way you receive all the latest juicy cleaning business industry news. So today I'm going to dive right in with the one way that you're going to really resonate with your potential cleaning customers. And this is still within marketing. I always say that there are cleaning business. They're all pretty much the same. So that you do not become a commodity. And a commodity are individuals that actually compete on price. They just, they're doing that on price. So if one says they're, $60 an hour, the other one is $59, $58, $57, you've seen individuals that they compete on price. The reason why you're competing on price is because you have nothing else to offer other than your price. Your price is what you're trying to do to grab the attention of your prospect. So you've got to make sure you have something to compete on other than price. And I emphasize that throughout this channel. The purpose of this channel is to assist you build a six-figure cleaning business from scratch within a year. So there's certain things you have to do and implement so that you're able to do that. And one of the things, as I always say, is setting your business apart. I talk a lot about automations and building your yes, which is your earning signature system. That's your yes. Your earning signature system is what allows you not to be a commodity, which is based on price. So one of the ways you want to do that is look at your personality and build your story. Your story is what is going to actually help you with offering your cleaning prospect something. And what do I mean by your story? That means your why. Why are you doing this? You need to let them know why you are in the cleaning industry. It cannot be just for the money. It can't be. It has to be that you enjoy cleaning or you want to employ others to change their lives by employing them within your business. But you have to resonate with that potential prospect because they're coming with reasons that they do not believe you're going to be able to clean their business the way they need you to clean it. So you have to resonate with them with your story. Weave your story into the walkthrough, the appointment. But there's several components. I talk about the hook, the offer, your story. All of those are what resonate and make you say, wow, they get it. This cleaning business owner really gets it. Once you get that type of relationship building and it becomes natural and it's authentic, trust and believe you're going to start having people coming, in droves wanting to do business with you. So once again, you've got to really make sure you develop your story, your unique story. What makes you unique? Why are you here? Why are you doing cleaning? Why do you choose this industry to be in business? Why do you want to be in business? Work on your story, make it natural, make it a natural fit for you. And once again, when we look at those three ways that you're actually bringing customers with your hook, your story, and your offer, you will find yourself never, ever having to compete on price because it will not be what actually pulls your customers and make them say yes. If this sounds like something you want to learn more about, then make sure you register for my six-figure cleaning business masterclass from scratch. My six-figure cleaning business masterclass from scratch will assist you with learning all of this and more. It's live. We have very few spots available in spaces because we do a lot of Q&A. I make sure before I end that masterclass, you've had all your questions answered. And I like to give you something that you can implement in your business right away. I don't want you to have to join and then not get anything other than if you decide to come along with us and want to learn more. But the goal is to teach you something within the masterclass that you can implement that night or the next day. So if this sounds like something that interests you, then make sure you register for cleaning business signature or cleaning signature business when it comes to our masterclass from scratch. And you can click the link below. Make sure you bring your pen and your paper. We love to interact. I love energy. I'm an energy person. I love to feed and get energy from you. So I love to ask questions. You can be as active or as quiet as you like. And the goal is, like I said, within that hour to make sure that you have something that your takeaway that you can implement that same day instantly. And if you want further training, then make sure that you actually come along. We've got several programs that will help assist you grow and build that business to six figures. So if this sounds like something you like, make sure you click the link below. And until next time, be safe and take care of each other. Okay? Bye-bye.